Hi guys, welcome to Mike's Guitar Workshop. Today we're going to be having a look at this Fender Noventa. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. In surf green. Kindly on loan by Marshall Music once again. So thanks guys for that, and go check out their website to see if you can score yourself one of these. And I've been procrastinating on this review for about a week now, because I was trying to work out what this is. Is it a throwback to something previous, or is it just its own thing? And from what I can gather, it is just its own thing. So it's not a strat per se, it's a strat shape, obviously, as we know it. But it's got two P90s in it, and only a three-way toggle. So that'll be neck, middle, and bridge. And then it's got a simple volume and a tone control. And that's about as complicated as it gets. So if you're in the market for a guitar with P90s in it, have a look at one of these. But having said that, a P90 in a guitar that is built like this will sound different to, let's say, a Les Paul that has got P90s in it. If you're thinking that you can judge the sound of P90s based on what you're going to hear here, rather have a look at the guitar shape that you're interested in, whether it be a Tele or a Les Paul shape or a Strat like this, and then have a listen to those to see if the P90 is what you're looking for. P90 pickups are single coils, but the P90s are like the Hulk of single coil guitars, so they've got a lot more output. I measured the output on these, and we've got 8.5 and 8 ohms respectively. And that's in the territory of humbucker guitars. But one other thing that I noticed is that the volume that it puts out, going through the same system, is more than even my humbucker guitars, which are also 8.5 and 8 ohms. So I don't know why that would be. But there's just more volume coming out. So let's quickly go through the three tones that we have. And just a couple of scenarios: clean, crunchy, drive. So just going to play some simple chords. And just another thing to notice, guys, the sounds that I'm getting are not the definitive and final sounds of a guitar like this. So with whatever your system is, you'll have a slightly different sound, but inherently it'll sound similar. So here we go. Let's put a bit of drive onto it, a little bit of dirt. So it's pushing out quite a bit of punch there. It's got enough quack. Let's add just a bit more dirt to that. Let's add a bit of drive. So yeah, no, you can definitely get all the tones that you want. Today I'm going through my Boss GX100, which is the new unit from Boss. And I used to go through an Ampera, got rid of that. Nothing wrong with it, very nice machine. But I just thought I'd upgrade it a little bit, and those are the tones you're hearing today. A variety of amps, and basically my gigging tones. So this is what I actually gig with. And I haven't set up anything special for this guitar. I just plug everything into here, and it just sounds the way it does. And that's how I play. So yeah, there we go. So let's talk about the build quality. Well, let's start at the top. You've got your old type Clusen tuners, which are very nice. I really love these kind of tuners because you can just pop the top of the string in there and you'll never have them catching in your bag or slicing your finger. So these are very cool. I kind of like those. And it's got a kind of a plastic nut. But for all intent and purposes, it's fine. I don't think you need anything more than that because it is pretty bright. It's got medium jumbo frets, 21 of those, and an alder body, and this color is the surf green. It's got a 9.5-inch radius, so that's very comfortable to play, and a C-shaped neck. It's got Fender's own MP90 pickups in the bridge and in the neck, so they are the same. And the bridge is fixed, there's no trem, and the strings actually go through the back, just like a Tele does. So that'll give you a nice sustain and a nice tone. The neck is a maple at the back with a semi-gloss finish, which is very nice, very smooth. And what I actually like is that the fretboard is also maple, and it is a slab. It's not just one piece, so there is a maple slab on top of this. Let me just confirm that. Yes, indeed. So there we go. Maple slab, but it's also finished in the satin finish, and I kind of dig that. Whereas the headstock itself, there we go, it's got a gloss finish over there. So that's very cool that they did that. Mint green pickguard, 3-way toggle switch, tone and volume and tone. And the odd thing is, although it's not a serious thing, is that the buttons in the full up position, they read 5. They don't read 10. But that's just a matter of popping them off, turning them and putting them the way where you want them. So there we go. So as I say, it's got a fixed bridge. It looks just like a trem bridge, like a trem, but it just doesn't have the trem part to it. It's just bolted straight to the body. There are no flaws on the guitar at all. It is very nice and shiny. There we go. Happy days with that. Obviously bolt-on neck, standard stratty type sort of vibe, but it's not a strat. It is a strat-shaped guitar with 2 P90s in it. That's what it is. So you're not going to get quite the quacky strat sounds that you might get with a strat. But the setup is quite nice. Straight out the box, I haven't done anything. Although this was a unit that was hanging in the shop, so I'm not sure if it's been set up or if they all come like this. But I just want to have a look at this string radius that they've set here. Yeah, very nice. Let's check the action with my trusty card system. 3 cards is 1.2 millimeters, and it's just as a quick and easy way to check. And 4 cards is 1.6. So let's see where they're sitting. Okay. 5. So yeah, sitting at just over 2 millimeters string height. So that could be lowered slightly. I don't think there should be an issue, and that you can just do by adjusting the saddle screws over here. The relief, I believe I did have a quick look, could also come down slightly, but it could also be the weather at the moment. It's fluctuating quite a bit here, so just to have your guitar shop where you buy these, just let them do a quick setup. I think every guitar that you buy in the shop can do with a nice setup. So yeah, that's the fit and finish. Very nice. I mean, made in Mexico, so no issues there. Nothing wrong with that. Fret ends are very nice, smooth. What you'd expect for a guitar in this price range. No real issues. And a typical comfort of a Strat, you know, so it just feels just like a Strat. It just doesn't sound like a Strat. The Strat has got more twang to it. Obviously, it's got a 5-way switch, so you can get the in-between sounds, which you're not going to get here. The best you're going to get here is that, which is okay for a lot of things. Of course, you could also make a patch if you were playing that song to get rid of the bottom end and make it more Stratty sounding. You could do that. So there we have it, guys. The Fender Noventa. Quite a simple guitar. Nothing really much to it. Strat-shaped body with 2 P90s, and off you go. Can play anything with it. You could even play heavy metal with it if you really need to. So yeah, bit of Prince. Bit of live. So thanks again to Marshall Music. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.